What's up, you guys? In today's video I will be doing passion twist myself, for the first time ever in life. So I've already done the back parting wise because it was stressful. It took me a minute to do it. So but I will show you guys the front. I have not done the front. So let's get into it and enjoy the video. What's up, guys? So I am as neat as possible parting the front portion of my hair. I feel like that is the most important part. The back is not as important as the front because that's the first thing y'all see when you look at me. So yeah. I just want to clear up the reason why I'm putting jam in between my parts. Not only does it, help make the parts neater, help me with that, it also helps moisturize the scalp and the hair itself. I had the gel conditioning jam and it really helps with inflammation and the things of that nature on the scalp. What's up, y'all? So we're going to start off by using our Melanin twisting cream. I've already used it on like 2 rows already, so I'm going to be using this throughout the whole entire head to moisturize my hair from root to toot, and as it goes into this weave, because my hair will dry out as long as I wear it, but I will continue to moisturize it throughout the duration of the hairstyle. Okay guys, a few FYIs. So I am using the Water Wave by Model hair. I will pick 2 strands of the curl hair and take my edge control, whatever, put it on there so it can be slick. I put it on my hair as well so that can be slick, so it can blend in with the weave as gracefully as possible. Let's get into it. I want to take a moment to talk about the method I use. I use the crochet method. The reason I use the crochet method, the texture of my hair, the water wave hair was literally sliding right out my hair, and that's not cute. So I decided to give myself more security by doing the crochet method. But whatever you guys prefer to do, that's you. since we are at the top of the head, I do want to show you guys how I do my passion twist. So after I get my 2 strands, I will take my needle, my crochet needle of course, put it through the loop above the rubber band, and then pull the strands through the loop, and even having them even on both sides. And once I get that far, I will take one side of the strands and wrap them around my rubber band so it would not show the detailing of what's going on the top of my head. Like, I don't need y'all in my grill seeing my rubber bands. So that is all. And then after that, I will start braiding and twisting, and then voila, that is my passion twist. I do add rubber bands at the end because I didn't feel like using glue to secure it. But yeah, it's very simple. You do not have to use the method or technique that I use. You are welcome to try any other techniques and even put me on to different techniques that you guys do, and I'll try them out. Even suggest more hairstyles that I should do, guys. My Instagram or Twitter or email, or even in the comment section below. What's up, you guys? We are back, and I am now done with my passion twist. I do not know how many it is right now, but I will let you guys know. And I love it. It was honestly easy. I probably would do it again. No, I am gonna do it again, but I'm gonna use a different technique the next time I do it because this is really cute. And yes, one side is longer than the other, but I did it based off my hair length. Like, one side of my hair is shorter than the other. Tried to match them up, but it just didn't happen like that, and that's okay. Like, so now, end it off. I got my LiQWYD foam and mousse. Gonna shake it up. Ow! Wow! Wow! Gonna shake it up. Just yeah, I think I really did really good for my first time, you guys. Like, yeah, I'm gonna start doing more DIY styles. So if you guys have anything else that you would love for me to do, please tell me in the description box below. I will research it up, find a technique, and I will do it. And I'm adding some oil to my scalp. This is not the wild growth oil. My wild growth oil is honestly in my bathroom, but this is tea tree oil mixed with vitamin E oil. Tea tree oil helps with an inflamed scalp and a lot of other benefits with it. And then vitamin E oil helps with moisture and shine and some other beneficial stuff. I don't know right now, but you know, that's for another day to talk about. Okay. do not have my oil sheen because I'm gonna oil sheen this so it can have a little shine to it. But yes, this is my style. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.